Step 1. The iron hook is placed on the movement. Secure with EVA double-sided tape. Cross the clock panel together. Note that the iron hook should be at 12 o'clock. Place washer, secure nut. Tighten by hand and then use pliers to rotate half a circle. Step 2. Align the hour hand, minute hand, and second hand with 12 o'clock and install them in parallel. Remove the positioning pin after the hands is installed. Note that the hands must be installed before you can pull out the positioning needle. Step 3. Install 2AA alkaline batteries. The hands starts to move. The hour, minute, and second hands return to 12 o'clock after one turn. Start receiving Wi-Fi signal. The process is expected to take about 4 minutes. Step 4. 3 pins back to 12 o'clock. Turn on the phone. Click on Settings, Wi-Fi, find Wi-Fi clock and then click on it. The IP address will be obtained after the connection is successful. You can see the home router address. If there are multiple addresses at home, you can choose. Enter this Wi-Fi password. Select a time zone. Select your local time zone based on your location. You can also choose the time of day to perform the correction. The default correction time is 9 at night. Finally, click Save. Step 5. After the clock receives the Wi-Fi signal successfully, the hour and minute hands begin to travel. Automatically corrects to current time. After correction, the second hand starts to travel normally.